I'm First Sergeant Leonard Montalongo, and we're at University High School, standing in the hallway of the JROTC classrooms.
Hello, my name is Daniela Sandoval.
My name is Julian Arias.
I've been in this program for 4 years now.
This year I am a senior, and I'm a fourth-year cadet in this program.
The 20th anniversary here means to me at university just the fact that, what the program had stood for over this time. But the meaning behind it, there's so much relationships.
Okay, give them 5 minutes.
Building trust, enriching lives, making a difference in students' lives who have come through here. And this hallway demonstrates that. It exercises and it shows what this program has done over a long period of time, and something that we're very, very proud of here.
My favorite thing in this program is the leadership skills and things that it's taught us and the experiences we get to have, such as community service and then having leadership roles in the battalion.
The golden rule, treat people how you want to be treated, right?
The classes we teach here are lifelong classes, life skills, if you will. Leadership skills, organizational skills, planning skills, communication skills, all the skills an adult needs to be successful out in the real world.
One thing that I really love about this program is how close everyone is.
Kind of gives you like a sense of belonging in the school. It's your place to go to, and it's your people that make you feel comfortable in the school.
We started out with about 25 students at the very beginning of the program. Throughout the years, those numbers have gone up exponentially. It balances out a happy medium of about 120 to 150.
Yes, we do compete. We have drill teams, the armed team, the unarmed team, we have the color guard, Raider team, our PT team, orienteering, physical fitness, bin rifles, unarmed, do a lot of marching movements.
We do a lot of school service mainly. We go to football games, food drives, can drives, Toys for Tots. Other than community service, we also have cadet balls every year.
JROTC at university is not only about the military. Yes, it is a military structured course that teaches discipline, responsibility, organizational skills, but we push education at a very high level. If a cadet decides to join the military, we will help them with that.
Personally, I do want to join the military, so what I am doing is currently I've enlisted in the National Guard, and I'm going to be going to college with them and doing college ROTC so that I can become an officer in the Army.
I recommend this program to a lot of the students.
What you want to do in life, you have to have a plan.
Exactly.
You have to organize your plan. Never give up, get back up, dust yourself off, and keep moving forward. JROTC can help those incoming students do that.